Well, it's Tuesday morning, and the opportunity is here. It's 9 o'clock, and we're going to do a test ride. Kevin's going to roll it out and test ride the bike. Staying as vertical as possible, going around corners very, very carefully, just to check out the engine and transmission and brakes and see how the bike feels. No high-speed riding. Okay. All right, the first rollout into the sun. Front brake check.
Yep.
I'd say we're ready to go. Well, I heard him go into third gear. There goes fourth gear. Here he comes, under his own power. Let it stall. All right. All right, we're still shooting here.
It's one of the sweetest Nortons we've had.
Really?
I mean, she just shifts beautifully, just nice and smooth. Acceleration is great. Speedo's a little wonky, you know, but typical, jumps around a bit. We may be getting a little chain clatter. I hear a clank just every now and then.
Okay.
And then obviously we need to tighten this down.
Yeah, all right.
But I'd say, address those, that and maybe spread the chain guard a little bit. But
all right.
Again, I don't think it's anything mechanical. I think it's something slapping.
All right.
Yeah. No, she's beautiful.
So you're ready to release it. We'll check the chain guard to see if there's any conflict and tighten the left mirror.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Way to go.
Yeah, no, she's nice. This is nice. Turn signals work, all the lights. The big thing is that ignition light. When you roll off throttle, it comes back up. It's not charging.
It doesn't charge till you get to about 2,500 RPM.
Yep.
And that's normal for all British bikes. You just don't know it.
Sure. Yeah.
Can I take your helmet?
Well, yeah, I thought, with my luck, I'm going to knock something over.
You're gonna...
There we go.
All right. Okay.
Yeah, no, she's good to go, I think.
All right, good.
Yeah, that's a sweet ride.
Good. All right. We're done.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I tightened up the mirrors. Now, the interesting thing about the 75 is they made them thread into the hand grips on both sides, so you can't just buy anything. You pretty much have to use these stocks. But these mirrors can actually be replaced if you can find a set of mirrors like this, which I haven't tried yet. But see how they clamp on to the bar here? If I can find a set of mirrors like this and take the mirrors off and put them onto that bar over there, that would put new mirrors on the bar. So both of these original. They are original. This one's just all clouded. So we'll leave that for a while. I think I'll also order the rubber cover for the ignition switch, so it's not sticking out during the wind. And let's see, I just put this guy up in the air and I'm spinning the wheel. You can just hear a little bit of something. And I've tried moving the chain guard as much as I can. Now, this is with the wheel all the way down. I don't know what you'd hear if you could get the wheel up. But I think that whatever Kevin heard is because of this nice, big, expensive, heavy-duty chain. The bike wasn't designed for that. It's designed to run a thin-wall Reynolds chain. So I'm going to chalk that up to just the chain rubbing the inside of the very narrow chain guard. Okay? So anyway, good freewheeling. It feels good. You can just barely hear something. And it does not appear to be tied to the master cylinder, master link. You know, let's see if I can catch the master link as it comes by. There's the master link right there. And you can hear we still got rubbing up inside there with the master link way down here at the bottom. So I don't think it's the master link. That's not the problem. So there we sit. I'm going to let the bike go. Let the client put some miles on it. All right, two minor things before I call it a day. Just for grins, on every bike that I send out, I put safety wire on the master link. And you can see how that works. It's just around the link, through the link. There's no rubbing involved. The teeth are in here, and they don't rub. This does not protrude above the level of the rivets, so it doesn't rub. There's nothing above the chain anywhere, so it doesn't rub. And I've already put this thing down, so I can't show you, but basically, it's just there as a safety on the master link. Racers do that a lot. I think it might even be a requirement. Okay, so after having ridden the bike, we'll set it up for an overnight leak watch and see what we see tomorrow morning after 24 hours. And that'll be the final.